Emakhosini, Thokozani, Camagu, Lesedi, Kganya, ngibulise ume Onika. Please like the page and also don't forget to subscribe. Ume Onika namhlanje uzokhuluma ngendaba ye-separation anxiety kwa-spiritual world. Namhlanje we've got iguli zikamoya as believer kwi-spiritual healer more than ukuzithemba nokuthemba amathongo abo, ukuthemba uNkulunkulu, because of now you find ukuthi umuntu sekaphila ngenyanga kuphela, uphila ngomthandazeli kuphela ngaphandle kwe-confirmation yabo bobabili noma abo bishop abafundisi, ubona kahle ukuthi ayikho into ayibonayo. Kanjalo iyenze ukuthi spiritual growth ungabi naso. Izokulekhisa kwi-spiritual growth, and also you will lack information from kumathongo akho noma ngithi ingelosi zakho. So this separation anxiety, yes, ubekelwe. Mhlambe wena uloku namathele kugobela wakho, unamathele kumthandazeli lo yakuyo, unamathele enkonzweni kubishop, you are too close naye lokho ukuthi manje ngaphandle kwakhe wena you will never be independent spiritually. So iyabulala i-relationship yakho namathongo akho noNkulunkulu, because of ufana nomntana ototoswayo njalo. So eventually you will never grow spiritually. So bengicela ukuthi abantu bayo learn independence spiritually, learn how to pray, learn how to phahla. As spiritual healers, we are there just to give you directive. Ngento ekhona, i-DNA yamathongo runs in your blood, and also umoya wabo always around you. So Tina, our main job kuwena ukuthi sikuphi directive how to connect with them, how to be cleansed in order for you to connect with them, because the spiritual journey, it needs you ukuthi uhlezi uhlanzekile. Emakhosini, Thokozani, please like the page and don't forget to subscribe. Amen.